I'm going to show you exactly how to use formulas in Canva Sheets with a simple step-by-step method that makes calculating and analyzing your data easy, even if you've never done this before. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account and on the left-hand panel, click Create. Then choose Sheets from the left tab. Let's open a blank worksheet to start fresh. Once it loads, you'll have a fully interactive worksheet ready to work on. But the part you're really here for is learning how to use formulas in Canva Sheets. It's actually pretty simple and works just like other spreadsheet software. Click on the cell where you want the result to appear, type in an equal sign, and the formula's shortcut will automatically open. From here, you can choose from the most common functions. Sum, which adds up a range of numbers, average, which calculates the average of a range of numbers, count, which counts the number of cells with values in a range, MIN, which finds the smallest value in a range, and MAX, which finds the largest value in a range. So simply select the formula you want to use, then your range, and enclose that with a closing parenthesis, then hit Enter. You can now start using formulas in Canva Sheets to make your worksheets smarter and more functional. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video. I'm going to show you exactly how to use magic formulas in Canva Sheets with a simple step-by-step method that lets you calculate and manipulate data instantly, even if you've never done this before. First, select the cell where you want the formula to appear. Then, type in an equal sign. This will automatically open the formula's shortcut menu. From the options, click on the first one labeled Magic Formulas. This will open a prompt bar where you can type in any command you want Canva to perform. To show you how it works, let's select some basic data and type a command to, for example, add all the numbers in a range. As soon as you enter the command and specify the cell locations, Canva instantly performs the calculation for you. You'll see that it does exactly what you wanted, automatically and accurately. And that's it! You've successfully used magic formulas in Canva Sheets in a quick and simple way. For more Canva tips, hacks, and tutorials, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video. I'm going to show you exactly how to add charts in Canva Sheets with a simple step-by-step method that helps you visualize your data clearly and keeps your design organized, even if you've never done this before. First, open your Canva sheet and select the data you want to turn into a chart. Once your data is selected, look at the floating toolbar above your sheet and click on the icon that looks like a bar chart. This will open a chart menu on the left-hand panel. Here, you can choose the type of chart you want to add, whether it's a tree map, circle, pie chart, bar chart, or donut chart. Canva gives you several options to visualize your data. If you want to explore more options, click on View All Charts to see the full range of charts available. Once you select the chart type you like, Canva will automatically insert it into your sheet, and you can adjust the size, colors, and labels to match your design. And that's it! You've successfully added a chart in Canva Sheets in a quick and simple way. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video. I'm going to show you exactly how to filter data in Canva Sheets with a simple step-by-step method that keeps your data organized and easy to work with, even if you've never done this before. First, select any cell within the group of data you want to filter. Then look at the floating toolbar above your sheet and click on the funnel icon. Canva will instantly turn your header or title cells into filterable columns. To use the filter, simply click on the small funnel icon that appears next to the column title. You'll see all the categories in that column. From here, you can sort your data alphabetically from A to Z or in reverse from Z to A. To filter specific categories, check the boxes next to the items you want to show. If a category is already selected and you don't want to see it, just click the check mark to unselect it, and those items will disappear from your view. And that's it! You've successfully filtered your data in Canva Sheets in a quick and simple way. For more Canva tips, hacks, and tutorials, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video. I'm going to show you exactly how to export your Canva Sheets file with a simple step-by-step method that makes it easy to use in other platforms like Excel or Google Sheets, even if you've never done this before. First, open your sheet file on Canva. Once it loads, go to the top right corner and click Share, then hit Download. Now here's the tricky part. The features and visuals in Canva may not fully transfer to other Sheets platforms like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. It's important to know which tool you'll be using to open the exported file so you can plan accordingly. If you download your sheet as a CSV and open it in Microsoft Excel, you'll see that colors, drop-downs, and other formatting won't appear. That's because CSVs are comma-separated values, which only keep plain text and numbers. If you want to preserve drop-downs, colors, and other Canva features, choose XLSX as the file type instead. While the formatting might look a little different, the functionality remains intact. You can still use drop-downs, adjust alignment, font size, and make other changes to match your original Canva design. Note, however, that you won't be able to add new drop-down options or delete existing ones. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You can now access your Canva Sheets offline without logging in while keeping most of the design and functionality intact. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.